Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beer here with another video to make your life easier and save you money. In this video, I will detail how a couple of simple steps can help your gas weed eater run for years and years to come. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on what you do to keep your weed eater running without a hitch. I purchased this weed eater back in October of 2020 and made a video on how to keep it running worry-free. I followed these steps from the beginning and my weed eater is still going strong. Here's a comparison on how the weed eater started brand new in 2020 and how it starts now 6 years later.
Turn it on. You give it a couple of cranks. 1, 2. And then you put back on run and then you turn it on. So you want to give it about 30 seconds.
The only difference is having to crank it a third time to get her going. Not a bad trade-off for being 6 years old. The two main steps that I take in keeping my weed eater running for this long is 1. Never leave any gas in the gas tank. When finished, always return any unused gas back to the tank. A couple of years back, I started buying this pre-mixed gas from Home Depot. It's less hassle for me, but you can always use regular gas and add that fuel mix to it. The second thing I do is I run it afterwards until it uses all the gas in the fuel lines. This prevents any buildup inside your motor. And that's it. Drain your gas and run it dry. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.